Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have explained you on how to pass information from robot into a reusable workflow. And in this video, you are going to learn how to get data out of reusable workflow. To do this, I am going to create two projects, workflow 1 and workflow 2, and I am going to create an output argument. So click on home and create a new blank process, and I will name this as workflow 1. Then click on create. And click on the argument panel and click to create an argument, and I will name this argument as output argument, and the direction is out. Argument type is string. Click on this plus icon and search for activity called input dialog activity and drag it to the canvas. So in this dialog title field within double quotations, I will just type string, and in this input label field within double quotations, I will just type enter a string. So in this value enter field, instead of creating a variable, I will just pass the argument name output argument that we have created just now. So output argument to store the user given input. So whatever I type in the input dialog activity will store in this output argument. So this is a reusable workflow. Let's create a robot to get data out of this reusable workflow. So let's create a workflow 2. Click on home and click on blank process. I will name this as workflow 2. Then click on create. Click on this plus icon and search for invoke workflow file activity. And now I'll call reusable workflow, which is my workflow 1. So click on this folder icon. And give the path of the workflow 1. Click on open and select this XAML file. Then click on open. Now click on this import arguments. So here you can see the argument name output argument that you have created in a reusable workflow, and its direction is out, and its type is string. In this value field, let's create a variable that is going to receive data which is present in this output argument. So I will create a variable using the shortcut Control K, and I will name it as data from argument. Okay, then click on OK. So click on variables panel. You can see the variable data from argument is created, and its type is string, scope is sequence. So now at last we need to display the data which is present in the argument. So click on this plus icon and search for a message box activity to display the output. So here I will give the variable name data from argument. So as it is a string, I will not convert this to a string again. Now I will run this robot. This will ask me to enter a string. So I will give the string as this is my project. Then click on OK. So you can see the string in the message box. This is my project. So this is how to get data from reusable workflow using invoke workflow file activity. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.